The car ahead of me. Boxer, I'm telling you I'm not a dog. My mom said I'm a baby shirt. If the both of us were going just a tad bit faster, that van would have hit and probably killed, if not severely injured, me. Driving down the highway just after Christmas heading back home. Snowy drive for about 4 hours of it. Suddenly it clears up. Roads look thin. Hit a patch of black ice. The car starts to spin. Just a boxer, I'm telling you my mom said I'm a baby shirt. Heading towards a rock face on the side of the road. Suddenly the car is now going back over the eastbound lanes. The patch of grass splitting the lanes. Over the westbound lanes. Boxer, I'm telling you I'm not a dog. My mom said I'm a baby shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. There isn't any use in arguing about which cheese ought to go in yours. That's what Gojo does. Prime evenly with the streusel combination. NX presents us how Aiden's may be diggery. Boxer, I'm telling you I'm not a dog. My mom said I'm a baby shirt. T-shirt, other product.